fishing with me. First, we gotta rig everything up and get ready. Guys, this is the pond. Got fish. Place is loaded because I've caught many fish here. I'll fish here for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Got some bites, but no fish. We're probably gonna head on to the next spot. And I might tie on a new bait. Get going. It's up, Willie. They just paved these roads, man. It's so nice. Oh. Is that a gator? Let's try this turtle. Just riding around, looking for some spots. Gotta get your man, jacuzzi. I'm at this huge pond right now. I don't know if you would call it a lake or a pond, but it's huge. It's a big body of water, I'll tell you that. Might go throw something out there, some big bait or something. It's windy as crap right now. Y'all can barely hear me probably. It's like 75 degrees, it's perfect. Pushing me. Wind is wanting to make me fall. Look at these geese, guys. Look at these little geese. There's somebody fishing over there. These geese. So pretty, man. It's cool.
Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill.
Y'all, just got this good bass. Look at him. Look at that. That's a good one. Skinny belly, but look at him. Let's go. Fortunately, guys, we did not catch any other fish, but we barely had any fish time, and we caught that good fish. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Fish a few more ponds. Fish a few more spots in that one pond, that big pond. But yeah, maybe tomorrow. Maybe. Wait, let's see. Maybe tomorrow. Got homecoming tomorrow. I'm gonna be filming that too. Hey, we're playing Asbury. They're like 0-8. So, we should cook them. Alright, see y'all. Using this little rod that I got at Walmart. It's a Dock Runner. And yeah, this is my fishing bag. Bass Pro Shops, $100. Really nice. Got this fanny pack right here. And yeah. We'll be riding my Segway GT3 Pro. Going to fish, and it has a phone mount. I was gonna take this rod, but it's very tangled, and I ain't got much time to fish.